Hey guys, my name is Ryan Issa, and I will be taking you guys through a series of science experiments within the next several weeks. Today's experiment, we will be polishing a bunch of pennies with lemons. Before we get started, I want to stress the importance of science experiments in learning about science. So, many teachers, professors think that, actually in the past, they used to believe that just memorization was enough to get people to understand material and what you're learning about. However, there's a big component to that that's missing, and that's using experiments to expand how you think, expand your thought process on how science occurs in daily life, as well as in your kitchen, and kind of just to get the cogs in your brain going and thinking about science outside of the classroom. And so here we're going to be discussing about, or I'm going to take you guys through how pennies get dirty and how we can remove that dirt from pennies. And so we know that pennies are made out of a metal called copper, and when that metal is exposed to the air around us, or to the oxygen in the air, it starts to react in a way that dirt builds up on the pennies. It's also called oxidation. The ways we can reverse this or clean the pennies is by using stuff that's acidic, such as lemon juice. And the lemon juice eats away at the dirt, essentially, and polishes the pennies by eating away at the dirt or removing the oxidation on the pennies. And so what we're going to be doing, you're going to take your, first of all, the materials you need for this lab are just a single lemon sliced into two. You're going to need some paper towels to clean up the mess. And of course, you're going to need a cup, as I have one here. I used a glass little container, glass little bowl, and some dirty pennies. So here's a little before picture of these pennies. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna, actually let me go this again. You're gonna squeeze your lemons into your bowl. You don't need that much juice, just enough that can cover the pennies when you put them in. And then you're going to brace this for you. And then you're gonna take one, two, three, you do 3 to 5 pennies, and then you're gonna put them in your juice, your lemon juice, freshly squeezed. And now you're gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes. You'll see better results if you wait 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do 10 minutes for you guys and pause the video and come back after those 10 minutes are over. So it's been about 10 minutes and our pennies are still in the lemon juice. And we're gonna take them out and put them on our towel paper to dry. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. So let me give you guys a better look at this. So here are our pennies that were sitting in the lemon juice. And I know for a fact they were much dirtier before. This one had a lot more dirt built up on it, so it'll probably require much more time to clean. However, it is shinier, it's more polished than it was before we put it in the lemon juice. This one was actually much shinier than before. But you guys should be able to tell as well after you do this that it works. And that something as simple as lemon juice can clean metal because of the acidic properties of the lemons. So that's it for this week's experiment, guys. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something new, that something in your kitchen, aka a lemon can clean something as hard and metallic as a penny. Next week's lab will be kind of similar in a sense. We'll be using something else that's acidic. That's a common drink that many of you have had, which is Coca-Cola, and how an egg exposed to Coca-Cola for a long time will actually eat away the shell of the egg, but at the same time leave an inner membrane, or the inner thin, the thin elastic part of the egg that some of you guys might have noticed when peeling an egg before, if you guys have done that, how it leaves that intact. But I will explain further on that next week, and hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Thanks.